Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we have an exciting story to share about a developer who was awarded a whopping $250,000 by Curve Finance. So, let's dive right in. In the fast-paced world of decentralized finance, DeFi, innovation is key, and developers play a crucial role in driving the industry forward. Recently, Curve Finance, a leading decentralized exchange, DEX, protocol, made headlines by awarding a talented developer with a generous grant of $250,000 for their contributions to the project. So, who exactly is this developer, and what did they do to deserve such a substantial reward? The developer made significant contributions to improving Curve Finance's protocol, enhancing its functionality, security, and overall user experience. The $250,000 grant awarded to the developer is a testament to Curve Finance's commitment to recognizing and rewarding the talent and dedication of developers within the DeFi community. By providing financial support to developers, Curve Finance aims to incentivize innovation and foster the continued growth and development of its protocol. The $250,000 grant awarded to the developer serves as a prime example of the emerging trend within the decentralized finance, DeFi, space, where protocols are increasingly recognizing and rewarding the invaluable contributions made by developers. This trend underscores the critical role that developers play in driving innovation, enhancing protocol functionality, and ultimately shaping the future of finance in the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. At the heart of DeFi lies the ethos of decentralization, which empowers developers to build open, permissionless financial infrastructure that is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This ethos encourages experimentation, collaboration, and innovation, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of projects and protocols that are collectively reshaping the way we think about and interact with traditional financial services. As DeFi protocols become increasingly complex and sophisticated, the need for skilled developers capable of navigating this intricate landscape becomes more pronounced. Developers with expertise in areas such as blockchain development, smart contract programming, and cryptography are in high demand, as they possess the technical know-how required to build and maintain DeFi protocols that are secure, reliable, and user-friendly. In addition to their technical prowess, developers serve as catalysts for innovation within the decentralized finance, DeFi, space, bringing a wealth of fresh ideas, perspectives, and innovations to the table. Beyond merely implementing code, developers play a crucial role in driving continuous improvement and evolution within the DeFi ecosystem. At the heart of DeFi lies a culture of experimentation and innovation, fueled by the ingenuity and creativity of developers who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's optimizing existing protocols to enhance efficiency and usability, implementing novel features to address emerging market needs, or pioneering groundbreaking new projects that challenge the status quo, developers are at the forefront of driving innovation and shaping the future of finance in the decentralized era. One area where developers excel is in the optimization of existing protocols. By analyzing and fine-tuning the underlying code base of DeFi protocols, developers can identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement, ultimately enhancing the overall performance and user experience of the protocol. Through iterative testing and refinement, developers strive to create more robust, scalable, and efficient protocols that can better serve the needs of users and adapt to changing market conditions. Developers are constantly exploring new frontiers and pushing the boundaries of innovation within the DeFi space. Whether it's exploring novel use cases for blockchain technology, experimenting with cutting-edge cryptographic techniques, or pioneering new approaches to decentralized governance and decision-making, developers are relentless in their pursuit of pushing the envelope and driving the industry forward. One particularly exciting area of innovation within DeFi is the exploration of novel financial primitives and composability. Developers are constantly experimenting with new ways to combine and integrate existing DeFi protocols and building blocks to create innovative new financial products and services. From decentralized lending and borrowing platforms to automated market makers and decentralized derivatives exchanges, developers are continuously expanding the possibilities of what can be achieved in decentralized finance. Developers are not just focused on building individual projects, they also play a crucial role in fostering collaboration and interoperability within the DeFi ecosystem. Through open-source collaboration and shared development efforts, developers work together to build common infrastructure, standards, and protocols that enable seamless interaction and interoperability between different DeFi applications and platforms. This collaborative approach helps to break down silos, foster innovation, and drive adoption within the broader DeFi ecosystem. The recognition and reward of developers by DeFi protocols not only incentivize individual contributions but also foster a culture of collaboration, community, and shared success within the ecosystem. By acknowledging the contributions of developers, DeFi protocols demonstrate their commitment to supporting and empowering the talented individuals who are driving innovation and growth in the industry. Looking ahead, developers will continue to play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of finance and driving innovation in the DeFi space. As the demand for decentralized financial services continues to grow, developers will be called upon to build the infrastructure, protocols, and applications that will power the next generation of decentralized finance. Whether it's building decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, or yield optimization strategies, developers will be at the forefront of driving innovation and shaping the future of finance in the decentralized era. In conclusion, the recognition and reward of developers by DeFi protocols like Curve Finance highlight the crucial role that developers play in shaping the future of finance and driving innovation in the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. As the DeFi ecosystem continues to mature, developers will be at the forefront of pushing the boundaries of what's possible in decentralized finance, driving innovation, and reshaping the way we think about and interact with traditional financial services. That's all for today's video.